This is the Iowa Weather Report for Friday, May 17th, 2013. Now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at 1 p.m. this afternoon. We have a trough digging into the western part of the country, bit of a ridge over the eastern half of the country, and with that we have a system coming through, a frontal system moving northward that could bring some showers and thunderstorms, mainly over the northern two-thirds of the state. The southern and southwestern counties may have maybe an early morning shower and then sunshine, highs in the upper 70s to low 80s. Saturday will be fairly sultry across the state, highs well into the 80s. It will be quite humid, a bit breezy, with readings again in the 80s. That storm system off to our west, that could bring some showers and thunderstorms here late Saturday night into Sunday. Severe weather parameters are fairly high, but not overly high, so severe weather is entirely possible Sunday, maybe again here as we move into Monday. But the GFS has the low near Sioux Falls. We could get dry slotted. You can see most of the state is dry, so most of the severe weather Monday could be just along the Mississippi River or east of the state. We'll have to see on that. Tuesday, that upper level feature then moves into Wisconsin. We could see some backwash clouds, maybe a shower around. Otherwise, maybe a few peaks of sun. Highs likely in the 70s or so across the area. Wednesday, that low is now over western Michigan. GFS still wants to paint a few showers around. Likely we'll see clouds early in the day and then slowly clearing, with highs likely in the 70s to low 80s for any place that gets sunshine. Thursday, we'll have a storm off to our west, a low-pressure center over southeastern Colorado, but it looks to be fairly dry across our neck of the woods, highs likely in the 70s to around 80 or so. And then next Friday, you can see this 588 ridge down over Louisiana into the Arklatex, and it's building up way up into Manitoba, trough over New England, trough over the west, and that's going to keep that storm that's off to our west pretty much off to our west. It could hit the less hills in western Iowa. Otherwise, most of the state will be partly to mostly sunny, and it will be getting warm, highs back into the 80s, and plenty of sunshine, as I said. A couple days after that, on May the 28th, we have that system off in the Canadian Maritimes. A bit of a mess around here. No real ridge or trough around here. So we'll have a few showers if this was right. Nothing overly widespread and nothing that just stands out as severe weather, but there could be. You never know. It is the end of May. We'll have to wait and see on future model runs. And at the end of the forecast on the 1st of June, the beginning of meteorological summer. It won't look like meteorological summer out in the west, with a fairly deep trough over the Intermountain West, over Nevada and into Oregon and Idaho. Another ridge over the plains again, and that means warm weather around here. Maybe a shower around, but daytime heating, you'll get an afternoon shower or storm. So we'll have to wait and see if this hot weather that we're seeing continues on future runs. The satellite image from last evening showed us the storm system and frontal system moving into the area. A few showers and thunderstorms across the northern half of the state through Minnesota and back into South Dakota. Some with an upper level feature over the south and some clouds over the west. The watch warning map from last evening was fairly quiet. Frost advisory in northern lower Michigan. Flood warnings continue along the Mississippi River Valley. Red flag warnings in Colorado, and it was fairly quiet elsewhere across the country. QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Tuesday evening at 7 o'clock, showing rainfall amounts could be extensive north of here, 3 to maybe 5 inches of rain. Around here, maybe about 1 inch to 2 inches, but it could be heavier than that in thunderstorms.